We spoke about the clash of silver medalists. There was no competition there for Mark Williams. It was all about the silver medalists from the 100 meters. Looking like the top man in the 200 meters so far.
Mackenzie, Roper, Brooks, Lamy, Parker, Lumley. The 100-meter champion, Parker, Douglas and Lawson. Semi-final 2 of 3 for the Class 3 boys. Quite a few of these competitors doubling up, some doing the 1-2, some 2-4.
I think lane 7 is empty. So no Jordan Douglas of Calabar.
On your marks.
So we've got Mackenzie, Roper, Brooks, Lamy, Parker, Lumley, and Lawson. Semi-final 1 done in 22:32. Out and about now. Oh no. Let us see what exactly transpired at the start. We have a look at that, Dwayne.
Yeah, no discernible movements. Just looks like good reaction from the field. Parker ran a big second leg for them yesterday in the Class 3 4x1. 23:39 to qualify for this semi-final. So nothing.
Parker with a negative reaction time of 0.098 seconds.
Yeah, well, that's close.
Very close, but once it's below that 0.1 seconds.
Well, we've seen instances where athletes would have reacted in a similar fashion and they've been allowed to remain. So let's see what decision the starting officials take. No one being spoken to at this point. I think the starter being given some instructions here. It's like Ludlow Watt walking over to the starter.
Ludlow Watt's the chief starter.
I suspect a decision has been made. So a green card shown to the field. In instances like that,
boys, you need to be perfectly still when you come to your set.
So that's what they're saying, because when they get in the set position, sometimes just a slight slip of the foot on the block may have triggered the sensor, even though they haven't left the block as yet. So good sense prevailing in this one. Long may it continue.
And the boys just getting some final instructions from Lottie Watts, the chief starter.
Nitro printed on Lumley's spikes there.
Set.
This time they get away cleanly from Jamaica College. DeAndre Parker. Lumley from Woolmer's boys is very much in the mix. He glides off the curve. The 100-meter champion has DeAndre Parker of Jamaica College on his inside. Those two will just bounce their way to the finish and book their tickets to the final. A look at that at the end. Good sportsmanship. DeAndre Parker of Jamaica College from Johnny Lumley of Woolmer's boys.
Reminds you of anything, Dwayne? Love to see that sportsmanship.
Lumley 22.75, Parker 22.79. Brooks back in third.
Yeah, Lumley stumbled from the blocks on his third stride and recovered well to take control of this race on his inside. DeAndre Parker doing all that he needs to do and what he needs to do to get to Saturday's final. Nice, easy sprinting from Parker. Looked good on the backstretch yesterday in the 4x1 qualifiers. Looks across to Lumley. Gives him a high five. All pleasantries now, but come Saturday, it's every man for himself.
So Lumley, 22.75 seconds. DeAndre Parker, 22.79. Jaron Brooks in third, 23.28.